What's up, everybody? This week I booked 29 calls on my calendar, and it made me start to question how the hell do I have time to do anything else outside of this? And the answer was I don't. And that's why in this video, I've created this crazy automation to help me manage my entire life using ClickUp and Google Calendar. I'm kidding. This is the automation that I've created. This is what I used to have a little while ago, and I'm going to be showcasing my new, different approach to time tracking and managing my calendar using all of the different lessons that I've learned. And when moving over to the following week, you'll notice that I have now implemented a time block that I didn't use to have. And this is going to allow me to stay on top of my tasks since I have different things going on, such as managing my agency, learning skills all the time, which some days I'm spending like 6 hours building things, learning different types of things, but then I'm missing out on spending time doing something else that I need to be doing. And so this right here is helping me do that, film videos, all of that. It's operationalizing my time and my tasks. And this automation is going to be supporting me do that. That's it. That's all I've created. And the reason why I've created this is because I have had tons of experience creating the most complex automations with the most complex project management and time management tools. And this right here is an example of what I used to do. So I used to track every single minute of my day, tracking everything that I'm doing, marking it as deficient, inefficient, efficient, putting it in different categories. And so I've got, management, brushing, showering, exercising, tracking everything, right? And also using complex reports like in ClickUp, you can create a dashboard. And so I would be able to see like, what is my brushing history looking like over the past 3 months? I was able to do that. I was using it to purchase stocks, perform grooming routines. And just as an example of what this looks like, as you can see, I gave this position a deficient because I spent nearly 2 hours on this grooming routine. And what the hell? That's insane. And when looking at the checklist, it's basically a bunch of things I need to do. So I need to get a haircut, and I usually give myself a haircut. Hairline touch up, I'm doing that myself. Eyebrows, all these other things, right? Anyways, I don't think that's a great idea for the video, but you get the point. The point is, I've had experience doing this crazy stuff, and I actually discontinued this a few months ago. Now, this is my new schedule and the new way that I'm trying to optimize my life using time blocks. And then I'm going to be using ClickUp to store the data of those time blocks, but I'm keeping it super simple this time around. What I'm doing is creating a recurring task in ClickUp. So this is a recurring task, and this comes up every day, matching how it's coming up here. And so when learn something new, build automation comes up, it's going to also be showing up inside ClickUp right here. And from here, all I need to do is assign myself a comment, which is learn XYZ. And I can do this the day before, I can do it the day of the task, but it's helping me prepare for the task, right? So preparing. And now that I've created a bunch of tasks, I'll be able to see how many assigned comments I have. And by the way, the following recurring tasks, they're not going to have those comments. And so all I need to do is learn XYZ, click resolve, and that's it. And the time that this starts is going to be when the calendar event starts. And so what is this automation? What this automation is basically taking the URL of this right here and simply pasting it in this section over here, which is the add location. And so what this is going to help me do is on like my phone or on my computer, whenever this time block starts up, I will get this URL that I can simply click on to take me to that specific task. And like I said, all I need to do is simply follow the comments and finish that. And that's it. This is my new system. That was my old system. Like I said, I've done the craziest things. And I also do think that there's a lot of value in trying a lot of really complex things, because out of that, I've learned how to do many, many, many different things. And despite the fact that I don't do anything crazy anymore in my personal life, I have this Afonto dashboard right here, which does an insane amount of things, and it saves me a lot of time within my agency. And so, hope this video was helpful, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Cheers!